guys, I wanted to show you this variety pack of herbs that I was sent to by the company. I am so excited to start an herb garden for the weather it's turning here in the Northeast. And I'm really excited about these packs that I received. You know, I have used seeds before for gardening and have purchased them everywhere from like the dollar store to like really fancy nurseries. And I think these are just as great as any of the fancy nurseries and what would be sold at the fancy nurseries. So you can see on the back, it gives like all the instructions. So for me, I need help with this. So I love seeing when like it's like just laid out super simple and straightforward of what I have to do to make these grow and where I need to plant them. Like, you know, so it needs full sunlight. It grows up to 18 inches tall. You want to spreads out to 12 inches. So all of that stuff is like really important. It says for culinary and medicinal. So you know that this is like good to be able to eat. And then it gives you the directions of like how to take care of them and how many seeds. So this one has a roughly 200 seeds in the packet. There's no GMOs. They're heirloom quality and untreated seeds and perennial herbs. So you get like, you know, really high-end, nice. Here, this is everything that it comes with. So you could see all the different ones, like what you would expect. Like personally, I want the basil, rosemary, thyme, like the ones that are just like, you know, what I'm going to use a ton, the chives. And then I like cilantro. We make a lot of guacamole, so that's in there as well. So you can just see everything that it comes with. Really nice packaging, and definitely I'm really excited to utilize all of this in our garden this year and have an herb garden going. You can also use these for hydroponic gardening if that's something you're into. We don't do that here, but you can purchase these and start them in like the little starters underneath the lights. And then once the weather turns good enough for you to plant it outside, you can go ahead and transfer them into an outdoor garden. So if you're looking to get an herb garden going, this is definitely like the best way, most economic way. Using like a high quality seed like this is what's going to get you what you need and start off. And I like that it comes with a ton of seeds in there. It's not like you pick them up from like the dollar store or something, there could be like 5 seeds in there. So these are, you know, and I like that it's no GMOs. Like I trust that. So definitely give these a try if you're looking to start an herb garden this year.